Dust. Noun. Fine, dry particles of matter found in the air and covering the surface of objects, typically consisting of soil lifted up by the wind, pollen, hair, etc. Dust. Noun. The act of cleaning by dusting. Dust. Noun. The earth, as the resting place of the dead. Dust. Noun. The earthy remains of bodies once alive, the remains of the human body. Dust. Verb. To remove dust from. Dust. Verb. To remove dust, to clean by removing dust. Dusting always makes me cough. Dust. Verb. Of a bird, to cover itself in sand or dry, dusty earth. Dust. Verb. To spray or cover something with fine powder or liquid. The mother dusted her baby's bum with talcum powder. Dust. Verb. To reduce to a fine powder, to levigate. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.